Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the banking and financial current affairs, and specifically we are going to discuss RBI news. We will cover almost all the RBI news in one or two more videos of this 3-minute slot. So let's start. The first point for today is RBI allowed lenders or banks to transfer of loans to asset reconstruction companies, ARCs. The next point is RBI issued guidelines regarding securitization of standard assets, and the minimum ticket size for this issuance of securitization notes is ₹1 crore. Okay. The next point is RBI set the limit for ways and means advances WMA from October 2021 to March 2022 at ₹50,000 crores. The next point is RBI imposed a penalty of ₹2 crores on RBL Bank for non-compliance of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. The next point is RBI fined Jammu and Kashmir State Cooperative Bank Srinagar of ₹11 lakh penalty for inadequacy in regulatory adherence. The next point is RBI announced the removal of Indian Overseas Bank from the Prompt Corrective Action PCA framework. The next point is RBI imposed a penalty of ₹50.35 lakhs on Janalakshmi Cooperative Bank Nashik for non-compliance with regulatory requirements. The next point is IndusInd Bank was empaneled by RBI as an agency bank. So now IndusInd Bank will be able to carry government business transactions. The next point is RBI imposed a monetary penalty of ₹6 lakh to the Bengaluru-based Hewlett Packard Financial Service India Private Limited. Okay, so HP Financial Services Private Limited was given 6 lakh penalty. Okay. The next and the last point for today is RBI announced scheme of penalty of non-replenishment of ATM, which is to be effective from October 1st, 2021. This means that if there is in ATM, if the cash is out, okay, if you do not find any cash, then and it is there for more than 10 hours per month, in 1 month no cash will be allowed, only for 10 hours. After that there will be a penalty of ₹10,000 per ATM given to the branch. Okay, so these were the points related to RBI news, and we will try to cover in one more video most probably the whole RBI news related and important for exam from exams point of view, for especially SBI PO mains, IPPS PO mains and IBPS clerk mains. Okay, so I hope you have liked the videos. If you have not yet watched our previous videos on RBI and the upcoming videos, if you want to watch, please check the description box and the suggestions given on the screen. I hope you have liked it. We will see you soon.